Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Well, today it's a pretty hot day, really hot, and I need to do some yard work before I actually go to work. So, I'm just going to show y'all some clips of me mowing the yard, and I might do something else. I don't know, but I definitely need to mow, so stick around, watch me do some yard work. Let's go. Well, just wanted to show y'all a little bit of that. That was just the backyard. I don't have much grass to grow in the backyard. Still have the side yard, the front yard to do. Probably won't even show you all that. I got some bags of crap I need to get rid of. Throw in the trailer. Let me get back to work. I just want to say hey real quick. See y'all in a little bit. All right, now everybody, I'm gonna feed the birds in this feeder right here that y'all seen in videos. This right here, this is the black oil sunflower seeds here. So this is what I'm using. For right now, I'm almost empty. I'll have another big bag like this in the house. I'll bring it out and I'll fill this up. This is what I'm gonna do right now. Just old hard hat. You know what, I wonder, since there ain't that much in here, I'll just dump it right here. Make sure you throw your trash away. I'll be dumping this in the trash dumpster thing. So that's gonna be good enough for that for now. Because I know the squirrel's gonna be out here trying to get some. Oh, yesterday I got stung by a yellow jacket when I was trying to weed eat. Didn't feel good, let me tell you that. I'm gonna put just a little bit more all around here in a minute. Be right back. All right guys, I'm back. Just gonna pile it around here. Make sure they got plenty, because I know the freaking squirrel's gonna get out here. I got another deal here. I'll just take you over to the other one. which we have wild bird seed also that I mix. I do half and half right here. So I'll do it like right in here. Just a little bit, half and half, you'll see in a second. Actually, you know what? I want some of that. All right, so I did a little bit over there. Then we got this one, and the doves love this stuff on this hanging deal. That'll be good for them. Just hanging on this red bud right here. The doves love that. Let's go get the wild bird seed now. All right, guys, let me, got this hanging on a red bud tree here. This thing right here, this is a nice little feeder. I got this hanging also on a different red bud tree. So we're going to fill this up. Should be good enough. They'll have this all gone by tomorrow. And all you do, pull it back down through there. There we go. Just pull that down. Oops, got this twisted. Then we just hang it back up. And voila, there you go, guys. Check it out. Just hanging on that red bud. What they do, they get up here and they just knock it. They just knock the crap down and they get it down here. As you can see. So, oh yeah, guys, I forgot. I gotta do the suet cakes. I'm gonna go do that right now. I'll show you guys that. And what I do with the suet cakes, I break them in half to save, you know, so I can have more for later. So, because they like to eat that up real quick. So let's go do that right now. What you see right here is the woodpecker and berry suet variety. It's a 10-pack. So, we're gonna open it up. They come in the plastic. This is what it looks like. Let's go break this in half and get them in the feeder. So I got 2 of them that I'm gonna put in. So let's go. Remember, folks, take your trash and throw it out too. So I got them in half. Well, somewhat half. I just drop it in there like that. Do the other side. Just kidding, I ain't gonna eat it. So there you go. Nice little suet holders right here, perfect. Nice little bird feeder deals. Homegrown cedar products, can y'all see that? I think if y'all look that up, you might be able to get one. I don't know. Anyways, let's go do the other one. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and put this in there. There's that one. And there's that one. There you go, guys. And the same homegrown cedar product. Well, guys, just another day. What I do before work, I do a little bit of yard work. I decided not to show me throwing the bags into a trailer. That's kind of pointless. So I didn't want y'all to get too bored. But anyways, if y'all did like this video, hit that thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you want to see another bird feeding video. Let me know in the comments down below. But thanks for watching Backroad Freedom. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And as always, love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.